Nearly 1,500 pulses of lightning recorded off coast. Residents evacuate as storm bears down on SoCal. Lightning is seen over Santa Barbara County in a photo provided by Santa Barbara County Fire on the 5th of March, 2019. A storm soaking California on Wednesday could trigger mudslides in wildfire burn areas where thousands of residents are under evacuation orders, authorities warned. The storm also brought thunderstorms and a dramatic lightning display. Nearly 1,500 pulses of lightning were recorded off the coast in one 5-minute stretch alone. 231 over Santa Barbara County and 40 in Los Angeles County, shortly after 8 p.m. The national weather. In Santa Clarita Valley, lightning and thunder lasted more than an hour. The Weather Service warned residents to stay away from tall or metal objects, and avoid being in water, or out in the open when watching the lightning storms. The Santa Barbara County Sheriff's Office ordered 3,000 residents to evacuate hillside neighborhoods scarred by fires, including parts of Montecito hit by a disastrous debris flow just over a year ago. Officials didn't say how many people heeded the order.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.